a BlueBird in my heart that wants to get out, trying to thought for him. I say, stay in there, I'm not going to let anybody see you. There's a BlueBird in my heart that wants to get out, report whiskey, a man, an inhale, cigarette smoke, and the horse, and the bartenders, and the glossary clerks never know that he's in there. There's a BlueBird in my heart that wants to get out, trying to thought for him. I say, stay down. Do you want to mess me up? You want to screw up the works? You want to blow my book sales? You're up? There's a BlueBird in my heart that wants to get out, trying to clever. I only let him out at night sometimes when everybody is asleep. I say, I know that you're there, so don't be sad. And I put him back where he's singing a little in there. I haven't quite let him die. And we sleep together like that with our secret pact. And it's not enough to make a man weep, but I don't weep. Do you?